Hey, get over here!
Around noon, suspect attempted to rob a Home Depot and drove off in the same alleged car. Likely due to these factors, officers approached the vehicle with extreme caution.
I can't see anybody.
Anybody in there? Anybody in there? Come on up.
I think the car's still on.
Anybody in there?
Clear. Clear?
Yeah.
Clear. Turn off the car though. Yankee 92. Go ahead and open up the air. Car is empty.
Female wearing a red top with possible black stripes, and she's northbound on 35 underneath the overpass, heading northbound.
This is going to be the offender two over there.
Yeah, they didn't take anything though.
So why run like this?
He said, hey, why don't you try, I would like to ID him. So I went to go ID him and they took off. And we didn't even come on this side of, I don't know why they were still driving crazy. We were already back at Home Depot.
Have them run the VIN so the tag doesn't come back to the car.
Get the VIN. And go off camera. We're done. Going off.
Minutes after receiving information that there were individuals running on the highway, other officers take action and begin a foot chase. It appears fairly obvious that these are the individuals who ditched the crashed vehicle.
Black shirt running southbound. It's going to be a male with black shirt running southbound, a black male with a white shirt, same female. First one, a female with a vintage top. 2016. I want one unit on the exit ramp to go eastbound on the parkway, and then one unit on the on-ramp to go northbound.
While this officer attempts to drive ahead of where the perpetrators are running to, this officer chases them on foot as cars fly by at speeds that would be immediately fatal for any pedestrian.
Show me your hands! Do it now! Show me your hands! Do it now! Foxtrot 6, they're going into the express lanes. The female has on a red pants. The white male with the white shirt. Hide on. Hey, listen, we'll do that. Turn over. Put your hands behind your back. Foxtrot 6, they're going back northbound. The southbound lanes, they got one in custody. The guy with the white shirt. The female with the red is going northbound. In the southbound lanes, male with all black is going northbound. The southbound lanes on the regular side. What happened? I know.
Stay with
him for me?
Yeah, I got you. 21 Delta, pressure 23 Delta 1648.
I'm in the southbound lanes north of the parkway.
Yes, sir.
I got the black male with a black shirt
Yes, sir.
in custody. There's a BSO deputy standing by with the other person in custody, and I have the female here with me.
Yes.
Pull the vehicle right here for me. Pull it over right here.
Southbound lane on the parkway.
I'm still Hey, you got cuffs, bro? Let go of this.
But I wasn't with you.
Put your hands behind.
Heavy round 11.
Cool. Tired now. Woo.
Bravo 1 field, keying up and let them come across.
Alright, Foxtrot 6, 3 in custody. Was anybody else outstanding?
Good job, bro.
Given that 3 subjects, pressure 4 subjects, right onto the vehicle.
How you doing? Hold on one second. I see a lot of running.
We cannot go, so we just stop.
Alright, it's hand. Hey, I need some water, bro.
What's going on with your shot, sir? What are you going to get shot for? Your handcuffs. Relax.
All you does not work.
Just do as you're told. You're the one that's going to get killed out here running in traffic. Just normal to run into traffic?
No, I don't know what's going on.
You just run with your friend. Just a morning jog.
You mind,
Bravo 7 was around them. They're 10 for we're all out.
you mind sending by with them? Come go to my car, get some water.
4 subjects.
I have no idea. I only saw the 3.
So what happened? You just opened your door without permission?
No. He was asking for can you get inside? Can you get inside? I said, what happened? We were thinking we don't even know what's going on. So yeah, then he came in and he thought like he knows money, so you know, like normal people. So we get some money.
Oh, you thought he needed money?
That's what I thought, yeah. So because we were in the traffic and the car was stopped, and then they get in, then another lady, she just came in and she went with him.
So they just opened your door and got in?
Yes. Then we saw a cop car. It means like we thought something is not happening. My wife said, hey, stop it. Let the cop came in and we'll see what happened.
But did you allow them to get in your car?
Hi, officer. Hi, I just want to let you know because he was talking to me.
Yeah.
He was under the impression that he needed money, so when we're in traffic, we were going to give him money.
Right, but did you guys allow them to get in the car?
And then he said, I need a ride. And then I need one more thing. Then he said, oh, you still have to leave. And I said, oh, I said, maybe we can get in the car.
Okay.
Then he gets in the car, he leaves the door open, and he says, oh, the police. And then his girlfriend comes to get in the car, and then we see an officer with a gun and just stop.
Okay.
We don't know what's going on.
Right. Do you guys have your licenses? Let me see your licenses.
The first guy I took into custody, he needs fire rescue, complaining of a leg injury, he says. That vehicle's still 97. They didn't know what was going on. People just happened to their vehicles.
One more unit to go to 92 at the crash scene, and I believe they also need fire rescue reference the vehicle is smoking.
Hey. Stop, bro.
The white car? That's the car they tried to jump in.
Where's the person in there?
Right here, in the car. They're in the car.
Why is he
He thought they needed money, so he stopped. They were gonna give him money, and then they said, "Oh, we need a ride." So then they were like, "Okay," and then they didn't see the police cars yet. So then when they saw the police cars, they're like, "Oh, okay, now it's something else." They didn't leave anything in the car, right? They didn't drop anything in there. Okay.
If you guys want, like you guys can check. Because like people ask for rides so that they can get somewhere and they get.
Okay, so they didn't make any threats or
No, nothing.
nothing. They didn't say like, "Give me your money" or "Give me a ride" or nothing. Okay.
Yeah, they were asking for a ride and that's it.
Okay, you guys are good to go. Okay. All right. Thank you.
After their arrest, all three suspects faced the same charges: one count of resisting without violence and one count of pedestrian obstructing traffic. The female suspect appears to have submitted a nolo contendere plea almost immediately, meaning she agreed to not contest the charges. Her charge for pedestrian obstruction was immediately dismissed, and her resisting charge came with a $294 fine due in 1 year from her arrest date. She was arrested, charged, and sentenced all by the following day, and seemingly spent a single night in jail as far as jail time goes. This wouldn't be her first mark in her criminal history. Her previous charges include possession of substituted cathinones, also known as bath salts, possession of controlled